to another video. And today what we're doing in this video, we're actually going to do some brown stew pork. So that's what we're doing today. I'm actually making this brown stew pork for one of my co-workers, and let's see if she like my cooking. Okay, let's see if she like my cooking. This is the first time I'm actually cooking for someone else who's not around me very often. So let's see how we get down. So I'm gonna wash my hands. And then we're gonna clean our meats. As usual, we clean our meat with vinegar. Gonna clean our meats. And while I'm cleaning our meat, you guys, before we dive any further into this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a hopeful comment below. Or better yet, leave me comments of what you guys want to see me cook. Tell me what you guys want to see me cook, and girl will work it out for y'all. I'll find a way to cook it. Find a way to get it, find a way to cook it. Okay, you guys? So, we're gonna add some onion powder. Garlic powder. We're gonna add all-purpose seasoning, the wet one. This is finished. So I'm not supposed to debut this one yet, you guys. This is actually supposed to be for another video, but this is Roma. Roma's purple. This is Roma's orange sauce. You can pretty much put it on everything, and because I ran out of all-purpose seasoning, I'm gonna debut it on this video. But Roma is another YouTuber. You guys should definitely check out her page. Her page is called Roma Lee's Kitchen. So I'll link her page in the description down below. So I'm gonna use some fish and meat seasoning. I'm gonna use some of the Sazon. I love this stuff. I'm gonna use some of Mrs. Dash everything but salt seasoning. Meat and Poultry seasoning. Jamaica's Choice Meat and Poultry seasoning. Some black pepper. Some meat tenderizer. Just a little bit, not too much. And as usual, you guys know I put this in everything. The perfect seasoning. I'm gonna pop some of that bad boy in there. And I'm gonna pop some garlic in there, some actually minced garlic. And I'm gonna put, you guys, a little bit of fresh ginger. This is fresh ginger. I kind of did it myself and then put it in a jar. So, you know, I always have a little bit of fresh ginger in the house. I put a little bit of fresh ginger, not too much, just a smidge. And then I'm gonna mix that all together. And what do I always say, you guys? Marinate, 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 okay? So we're gonna leave this. If you want to cook this the same day, you can. You can cook it the same day. Just leave it for like 2 hours so it can soak in all this seasoning in there, and then you cook it. For me, I'm not gonna cook this today. I'm actually gonna cook it either tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure yet. And so mine is gonna be marinating for at least 24 hours, you guys. So I'm gonna leave that. Hold on. So this is brown stew pork. So you obviously need your browning. Okay, you guys, we're gonna get into cooking this brown stew pork. This is how it looks after it's been soaking for a few days. And we're gonna get into it, okay, you guys? So what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna add some garlic. So I put the pot on. It's on medium heat. A little bit of oil, not too much. Not too much. And I'm gonna, this is what's going in there. I have my carrot, my potato, garlic, onion, scallion, and thyme. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put the garlic in first, you guys, so the garlic can burn a little bit before I throw the pork in. Guys, let that just burn so I can get that flavor in there. And you know what? Let me do this too. I'm gonna throw a couple pimento seeds in the pot just so I can get that flavor in there. Just so I can get that flavor. Gonna just let that burn for a little bit, not too much because you don't want the garlic to get bitter. Then you're gonna add your pork. You're gonna let that brown out, you guys. You're gonna let that pork get nice and brown. And you guys, you see all this goodness that's left in this container? See all this goodness that's left in this container, you guys? Yeah. You're gonna add a little water to that and pour it in the pot. So I'm gonna let that brown out for a minute, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, the pork been browning for about 10 minutes now. I'm browning for about 10 minutes now. Look on that. That looks so good. I'm gonna add for about 10 minutes on high heat, you guys. On high heat. So I'm gonna add my scallion, my thyme, and my onion. My scallion, and my thyme. And I'll add the carrots because the carrots take a little bit longer than the potato to cook. So I add the potato a little bit later. And the carrots. And the carrots not gonna turn into mush if I add them too early. So this is how you do it, you guys. You add your carrots. Because the carrot not gonna turn into mush if you add them too early. And then when your food close to, when the meat close to done, you add your potato. Look at that, you guys. That looks so good. So good, you guys. It smells amazing in here. This looks fabulous, fabulous. So I'm gonna, all this goodness we're leaving on the plate, you guys. Remember I tell you, don't throw away all that. You're gonna add some water to that because that is goodness for your food. That's all flavor right there. So all flavor, you guys. That's all flavor. You're gonna rinse all of it. Catch all the flavor out the container. Don't leave back none in it. Don't leave back none in it, you guys. And I'm using warm water, you guys. I had to warm some water. Don't put cold water on your food. Warm some water, put it in there. Rinse out a little more. And guys, you're gonna put this on low heat. Put it on low heat and let it cook out, you guys, because you don't want to add no more water to it if you don't have to, because all this gravy in here right now, all this water in here right now have all the flavor in there. You don't want to add no more water to it if you don't have to, but if you didn't put enough, just keep a container of warm water close by so you can add it as you go. But you're gonna leave this now, you guys, for, I don't know, when I get back I'll tell you how long it was cooking for. On low heat for it to cook out, you guys. And always taste your food to see if you want salt. Taste your food. Oh my God, that's so perfect. That is the perfect amount of salt, seasoning, and everything. That is perfection right there, you guys. That's perfection right there. So you're gonna leave that on low heat and let it cook out, you guys. And I'll see you back when it's done. I gotta go find my pot cover. Okay, you guys, and we are back. And as you can see, it's been about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And as you can see, the meat is you can kind of rip it in two. So you're almost done cooking. See? Almost done cooking. So at this point, you guys, I'm going to add my potato. So I'm almost there, you guys. Almost there. It's going to be so good. It's going to be so good, you guys. I'm going to add the potato. See, the carrot still firm. Carrot still kicking in there. This is why you put the carrot in. Carrot take a little bit longer to cook than the potato do. Yeah, add the potato. And I'm going to let that potato cook down. And then, you guys, once that potato cooked down, I'm going to add some ketchup. I can take this out because I already got my flavor out of that. If you take the stems out, you guys, the stem of the thyme. Once your food done cook, if they bothering you, because they bothering me right now, you can take the stem of the thyme out because you already got your flavor out of it. So I'm going to leave this, let the potato cook. And once the potato done cook, I'm going to add, let me taste that. Oh, God. It looks so good. Perfect. Perfect. A little bit of pepper in there, but perfect. So I'm going to leave this for another maybe 10, 15 until the potato done cook. And then I'm going to add some ketchup. And that would be that, you guys. That would be the end of the dish. So I'll see you back in a little bit. Alright, you guys. So we're officially done cooking. Oh my God, looks so yummy. Let's check our potatoes. Potatoes breaking apart. So you guys, this take officially about an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. Maybe an hour and 10 minutes. So we're gonna add our ketchup. We're gonna add our ketchup. And there you go, you guys. That's the finished product. That is the finished product, you guys. That's it. We're gonna plate it. Let's plate it for you guys. Get some meat in there. Get some of that goodness in there. Okay, you guys. Some of that good meat in there, you guys. And here you go, you guys. Let me clean up that plate. That plate is a mess, you guys. The plate is a mess. And this is a finished product, you guys. I'm waiting for my frame to adjust. This is a finished product, you guys. So please remember to like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and leave me a comment below. You guys, if you want me to cook something, leave it in the comment below and I'll surely make it for you. See you in the next video. Bye.